So we are done here. We had lots of fun. Spent some time. It's getting super hot. It's about 10:30, but it's getting super hot. So we're now getting down and exploring other trails. So this has been one crazy trail. So now we are getting down, and if you remember, we did Inky Pinky Ponky. You might have seen that in the last video. Now maybe we'll take the center one and see what's there. So we completed the first maze. So there are these 3 maze trails, out of which the first one is done. Now we have 2 more to do. Dada anbaru
Andreni like trail
enchina steep plus loose soil marasa. That's what it's making this little tougher.
Correct. Same like sunset experience.
Correct. But then that was a short one. This is throughout is the same thing.
Correct.
And now coming down is a challenge, because vehicle will keep coming down.
Literally steep ఉంటుంది ಇವತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡಿ.
ಸ್ಟೀಪು ಮಾತ್ರ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಲ್ಲು ಉಂಟು, ಅದು ಕಲ್ಲು ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮದು
ರೋಲ್ ಆದ ಕಿಟ್ಟದು ಫೋನ್ ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು ಕಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಲು ಅಡ್ಡ ಬಂದಾಗ
ಅವು ಜಂಪ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು
ಜಂಪ್ ಅದು ಟೈರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್
ಅಂದ್. ಸೊ ಯುವರ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್.
ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, ಲೈಕ್ the angle will change actually.
So
and if you lose traction at that point, done.
Hey, we have another road which goes down here. Should we try that?
Yeah, we'll go that. Yeah.
But I think that will join the other one.
Yeah, it will join the main road.
Not main road. Oh, this is super steep, dude.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Yeah, man. Oh, I'm not.
No one goes here.
Yeah. So I'm not too sure how much can you guys actually realize how steep is this road. But then if you come is when you realize, and look at this entire tree. Wait.
Enna direction change.
Itu one batta hai nama.
Naddala same ye. Ondala same bala same undu naddala.
Anda.
Karla undu.
ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾರದು ಹೋತುಂಡು. ಓ ಬೈ look at this steep.
Too steep.
And to make things worse is the dry leaf. So dry leaf you never get traction and it will keep slipping. The tire will keep slipping because of the dryness of the leaf, and that's where you tend to kind of do panic braking, which you should not. Here the best way to ride is put it your first gear and then just body balance a little bit and slide here and there braking. You try to do power braking or panic braking, you'll just slide down.
So one done.
Crazy. And guys, trust me, this is a proper jungle. It's not even like a trail, it's like a proper gudda. Yeah.
Who knows, we may find elephants.
Don't tell me, dude. Don't scare me now. That will be the last thing I'll expect from this place. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಮಳೆಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫುಲ್ ಪಾಮಾಜಿ
and
ಕಲ್ಲು. So you
slippery.
And this loose soil undate will become slush.
Correct. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೈಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆವು.
Okay, so this is back to the junction 1, Inky Pinky Ponky junction.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, 3 trails. That was the entrance.
Including the one what we came before.
Hey, dude,
What? Boy.
Guys, this is elephant dunk. Man, now you're scaring. Boy, which boy? Oh, we were talking about elephants. We were just talking about elephants and we just saw elephant dunk. No, that is going to be one.
That is going to be one hell of an
Okay.
Emergency
Yes.
Double transaction andala mallaji.
No problem. We'll be safe.
We will be safe.
Dude, ಒಂದು crazy undi.
Yes.
And this is definitely not for somebody who's doing it for the first time. Not at all. This
even I'm shit scared now.
Yeah.
Looking at
Yeah. Now because of hot sun, I doubt if the elephants will come out because they will normally come towards the water place. And
that was the water.
That was the water source. Hopefully not, because
Certainly ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. So we have to be ready for any
exactly
situations.
Yeah.
And every time.
And be ready to run anytime leaving your motorcycle.
Yes.
You can't think of motorcycle now.
Correct. ಜೀವ ಮುಖ್ಯ.
ಹೌದು. Plus one more thing about this trail is unlike other trails, this has a lot of boulders, a lot of rocky surfaces. All the other surface would be either muddy or loose soil or slushy. This has a lot of rocks because this is a proper mountain that we are in. So you have a lot of rocks, and these are all human made paved roads. Not necessarily people are using this, but whenever they have used it, they've made this like, you know, just a road for jeep or something like that. Maybe some officials who want to come and construct something on the top, like what we saw on the top, the network, those ones.
Okay, like there is a home here.
Okay. Oh yeah, some habitation. Oh. But it's under construction, you know. Okay, no, let's go. No, nobody's going to stop us though.
Yeah. Okay, so ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೀವೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಹ್ಞೂ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಎಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮಾರ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಅಂತೀವಿ.
ಈಜಾಗಿ ಎಂತ ಇರ್ತಿದೆ, ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ದೊಟ್ಟು.
Okay. There is. Multiple people here.
Yeah.
Wait. There's a house being constructed on the back. At the same time, there is continuation of this road. I don't know. I don't think it will continue too long.
Yeah. No, it continues. But not sure for how
long. Yeah. No, dude. Then I think this is the end. Because forward, it'll be like proper jungle now.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let's see. You're almost over. Then we'll head back.
Yeah. If we see. Oh no, man! It goes, dude. It goes.
It goes.
Come. Oh no. Yeah, it is. I mean, this is just goes in circle and circle and circle.
Just goes on.
Mulonchul tricky. Do be careful.
I'll wait.
Yeah. Come.
Yeah.
Dude. Man, this is unreal, bro. Unreal.
Crazy trail.
I need to take a photo here.
Yeah, sure.
And
one photo. Then we'll go.
And my fuel is started blinking.
Really?
Yeah. Check out, guys, where we are. This is in between no man's land, proper jungle. Oh.
One crazy trail.
Oh. Am I still recording? Okay. Dude, look at the inclination there.
Yeah, man.
And my fuel He's crying. Let's see.
Yes. Photoshoot done. Let's go.
Yes, let's go. Sorry.
Play. In ಅರ್ಧ ಬನೆ ಅಂತ.
Huh.
ಆಫ್ರೋಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು.
Hey, this is full rocky, bro.
Okay. You just go ahead, then I'll come. Full mix ball, okay. Crazy stretch. You know what I'm going too damning. Alright?
Come.
Rock. Full rock ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ.
This is like those which is that one? Urrican. Umbikara
light. It just goes on, man.
Yeah. Dude, this looks like a waterfalls, dude.
ಮತ್ತೆ
Malaji. Oh. Finally, the much deserved fall. Check this out.
ಗೈಸ್ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಡೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಈ ಟ್ರೈಲ್.
And here's Hermes posing. It just goes on, man. Oh. What? Here's Hermes posing. So after a little bit of break, now we decide to